Yes, very good morning, dear students. Students, today we will start our chapter number 4 of course book, and the title is The Two Merchants. Merchants means traders, businessman you can say. Okay, before reading the chapter, let's discuss few word meanings of this chapter. First is fair-mindedness. Fair-mindedness, you can say not partial. Ability to treat everybody equally. पार्शियलिटी नहीं करना, सबको इक्वली ट्रीट करना. प्रॉक्सिमिटी, क्लोजनेस, किसी के काफी क्लोज होना, नजदीक होना. रिजॉल्व अ डिस्प्यूट. डिस्प्यूट यू कैन से फाइट. रिजॉल्व मतलब सॉल्व करना, एंड करना किसी की फाइट को. हुजूर. हुजूर इज अ उर्दू वर्ड. Here it is used in the presence of a superior person. We use this word in the presence of a superior. जो पर्सन हमसे सुपीरियर है, लाइक हम राजा से बात कर रहे हैं, तो उन्हें रिस्पेक्ट देने के लिए, ऑनर देने के लिए हम ये वर्ड यूज करते हैं, हुजूर. एंड दिस इज उर्दू वर्ड. यस. नेक्स्ट इज jar. A clay container which with a wide opening at the top, typically used for storing food. क्ले कंटेनर, मिट्टी का बना हुआ कंटेनर. ओके, जिसे घड़ा बोल सकते हो आप, बड़ा. ओके, विद वाइड ओपनिंग. वाइड मतलब जिसकी ओपनिंग बड़ी होती है, ऊपर मुंह जो है वो बड़ा होता है. एंड दिस इज यूज्ड फॉर स्टोरिंग फूड. फूड स्टोर करने के लिए काम आता है. नेक्स्ट इज घी. घी इज क्लैरिफाइड बटर. ऑल ऑफ यू नो व्हाट इज घी. मोहर. मोहर इज अ कॉइन, यूजुअली ऑफ गोल्ड. गोल्ड कॉइन को मोहर बोलते हैं. यूज्ड इन द ओल्डन डेज. बहुत पहले राजा महाराजा के टाइम में यूज होती थी. माउंट. This is an old unit of weight. Like today the units of weight are gram, kilogram, but ounce is an old unit of weight. Weight को measure करने के लिए ये unit use किया जाता था. Now, two more words are there. Rebuke. Speak angrily. गुस्से से बोलना. Humanity, people in general, like humanity you can say इंसानियत, अच्छी क्वालिटी के लिए ये वर्ड यूज किया जाता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज अ वेरी सिंपल स्टोरी एंड वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग आल्सो. ओके, बी अटेंटिव इन द क्लास, लिसन वेरी केयरफुली. I hope you all are enjoying. You all will enjoy the story. Student, this is a story about Birbal. I think you have heard this name earlier also. Birbal, who was an advisor in the court of the Mughal Emperor Akbar. Birbal जो एक advisor था. Advisor means जो सलाह देते हैं. He was an advisor in the court. मीन उसके जो सभा बैठाई जाती है, राजा की कोर्ट जो है, उसमें वो मंत्री था. Made a man give back what he had borrowed from a friend. इस स्टोरी में आप किसके बारे में पढ़ोगे? उसने एक पर्सन, टू ट्रेडर्स की स्टोरी है. बीरबल ने जिनका डिस्प्यूट सॉल्व किया था, जिनकी फाइट को एंड किया था. ओके, बीरबल वाज नोन फॉर हिज कीन इंटेलिजेंस, fair mindedness, and proximity to the emperor. Birbal, who was an advisor in the court of Akbar, he was known for his keen intelligence, meaning he was very intelligent. Fair mindedness means he was not partial, he always treats the person equally. And proximity to the emperor. The emperor, who was emperor? Akbar. And he was very close, very near to the Emperor Akbar. Citizens seeking justice often came to Birbal, particularly when Akbar was away from the city. Citizens means the people who lived in the state of Akbar. When they want justice, जब उन्हें न्याय चाहिए होता था, they often came to Birbal, particularly when Akbar was away from the city. When Akbar was not in the city, in his absence, people came to Birbal for the justice. In one particular instance, means in one particular case, Birbal was trying to resolve a dispute between two merchants. I have told you that this is a story about the two merchants, two traders. This is a particular case when Birbal was trying to solve a problem, solve a dispute. He was trying to end the fight between two merchants. Now the story begins. So you have no proof of what you are saying, Ramchand? Birbal is talking to the merchant Ramchand. So you have no proof of what you are saying. Birbal is talking that Ramchand, what you are saying, if you have any proof of that, कोई इसका proof है तुम्हारे पास जो तुम कह रहे हो? No, Huzur. Now Ramchand is replied. No, Huzur. No written receipt you lent. उधार देना, lent means. You lent your friend Jwala Prasad and no witness to the transaction. Now Birbal is saying that you have no written receipt for the 1500 rupees that you have that you say you lent to your friend Jwala Prasad. Means अगर आप किसी को पैसे देते हो तो आप उससे रिटर्न रिसिप्ट लेते हो ना, बट रामचंद के पास कोई रिटर्न रिसिप्ट नहीं है किस चीज की, जो वो कह रहा है. क्या कह रहा है? दैट ही हैज लेंट 1500 rupees to his friend Jwala Prasad. Means the second merchant is Jwala Prasad. And no witness to the transaction. Witness, dear student, witness is a person who see an event or a crime. जो अपनी आंखों से, जिसके सामने कोई क्राइम हो रहा हो, जिसने देखा हो उस क्राइम को. ओके, मीन्स वो क्या बोल रहा है? दैट यू हैव नो रिटन रिसिप्ट फॉर दैट एंड ऑल्सो देयर इज नो विटनेस. जब तुमने पैसे दिए तब तुमने किसी के सामने नहीं दिए वो पैसे. नो हुजूर, Jwala Prasad is a fellow merchant as well as a friend. Now Ramchand is replying, the first merchant Ramchand is replying that no Huzur, he is a fellow merchant. वो मेरी तरह ही एक trader है, as well as a friend. और वो मेरा friend भी है. He needed the money and promised to return it within 6 months. At that time, Jwala Prasad needed the money and I helped him. And he also promised me to return the money within 6 months. So I lent it to him. So I gave the money, 1500 rupees to him. I thought he would honor his word. Means वो अपने words की respect करेगा, जो उसने कहा है कि वो पैसे वापस कर देगा, वो वैसा करेगा. But he refuses even to remember what happened. But now he denying even to remember what happened 6 months ago. अब वो रिफ्यूज कर रहा है पैसे देने से, इवन उस मोमेंट को भी याद करने से कि उसने कभी उससे पैसे लिए भी थे. Write down all that you have told me and sign it. I will see what can I do. Now Birbal is talking to Ramchand that to write all the statement on a paper and to sign it also. Now he's saying that let's see what can I do for you. I must send for Jwala Prasad, the second merchant. Let me see what he has to say about the matter. Birbal is thinking that what should he do then? Then he thought that he must send message to Jwala Prasad also, the second merchant. He has talked to Ramchand. Now he wanted to talk to Jwala Prasad. He wanted to know what Jwala Prasad said about the matter. Jwala Prasad arrives. अब ज्वाला प्रसाद आ चुका है, the second merchant. Raja Sahib, I am deeply honored and grateful for this summons. Summons means message, किसी को बुलाने के लिए जो मैसेज भेजा जाता है. Jwala Prasad said, Raja Sahib, I am deeply honored and grateful for this summons. इस जो मुझे बुलाने के लिए मैसेज भेजा गया उसके लिए I am very grateful. I am very thankful to you. How may I be of service to your lordship? How can I help you, your lordship? Lordship again is a word which we use to respect our superiors. Read this. Now, Birbal is showing the page on which Ramchand has written everything, that he has lent 1500 rupees, but now Jwala Prasad refuses to give Ramchand to Jwala Prasad. All lies, your lordship, all lies. Lies means not true. I thought Ramchand was my friend. I have helped him so many times, and this is how he repays me. I know his job is not doing well, but this is not the way. Now Jwala Prasad is saying that all this statement is not true. He's saying he was his friend. He said that he has helped so many times. He has helped Ramchand so many times. And this is how he repays me. अब वो क्या बोल रहा है? इस तरह से मेरी हेल्प किए हुए का बदला दे रहा है मुझे. I know that the shop of Ramchand is not doing well. That means his earning is not sufficient. But this is not the way. मतलब वो क्या pretend कर रहा है कि oh, you deny that Ramchand lent you 1500 rupees which you promised to return within 6 months. Now again Birbal is asking that are you denying, are you refusing to give back the money, or that Ramchand has given you 1500 rupees? Are you denying from this statement? I absolutely deny, Your Honor. And surely he would have taken a receipt from me if he had lent me such a large sum. Why does he not produce that receipt? Receipt means receipt. Produce means show karna. Now, Jwala Prasad is saying, yes, I absolutely denying. मैं मना कर रहा हूँ इस बात से, Your Honor. And if Ramchand has given me some money, why didn't he show the receipt to you? Ramchand gave money and didn't take any receipt. But the fact is, Ramchand believed that Jwala Prasad was his friend. उसने क्यों नहीं ली थी receipt? Because वो विश्वास करता था कि Jwala Prasad was his friend and he never refused to give back the money. But now Jwala Prasad is taking advantage. उसने receipt नहीं ली थी, अब वो इस चीज का फायदा उठा रहा है. He says he did not take a receipt. That is the problem. Thank you for coming. I am sorry for wasting your time. Now Birbal is saying that only the problem is that Jwala Prasad don't have a receipt. Now, thank you for coming here. I am sorry for wasting your time. Raja Sahib, I am your humble servant. Now Jwala Prasad is again pretending, दिखावा कर रहा है. I am your servant. No problem is there. A few days later, you remember Ramchand and Jwala Prasad sent both the merchants a large jar of ghee, each with a request that they sell the ghee for me after checking its purity. A few days later, कुछ दिनों के बाद, now Birbal is talking to his servant. You remember Ramchand and Jwala Prasad? तुम्हें याद है? अपने servant से अब वो बात कर रहा है. Send both the merchants a large jar of ghee. अब वो क्या कह रहा है? that sent these 2 jars of ghee to both the merchants and request them to sell the ghee at their shop. घी की प्योरिटी चेक करने के बाद वो उसे अपनी शॉप पर सेल करेंगे. On heating the ghee, both Ramchand and Jwala Prasad discovered a gold moher at the bottom of the jar. जब उन्होंने when they heat the ghee to found a gold moher, gold coin at the bottom of the jar. I must return the moher to Birbal. It must have fallen into the ghee by mistake. Now Ramchand is talking to himself. He is a very honest man. He is talking to himself that he should return the moher to Birbal. He is thinking that that moher fell into the jar by mistake. So he went back to return the moher. Now Jwala Prasad, a gold moher? Let me give this to my son. Jwala Prasad was not honest. He was dishonest. He thought that he should give that gold coin to his son. Jwala Prasad's son helped him in their shop. The merchant goes to his son. Keep this safety till I ask for it. Jwala Prasad gave that moher to his son and told him to keep that moher safe. When the two merchants had sold the ghee that Birbal had sent them, they went to give him the money from the sale. Ramchand went there first. After selling the ghee, they both of them now they went back to give the money to Birbal. Ramchand went there first. सबसे पहले रामचंद वहां पर गया पैसे देने के लिए. थैंक यू रामचंद, यू मे गो नाउ. बीरबल जो है वो रामचंद को थैंक यू बोल रहे हैं एंड यू मे गो नाउ. नाउ इट्स टर्न ऑफ ज्वाला प्रसाद. ज्वाला प्रसाद appeared later with a smaller amount of money. Yes, students, his amount was smaller, less than. His amount was less than Ramchand. Although the weight of the ghee was, both of them received the same weight of ghee, same jar, but the amount they returned to Birbal was different. Ramchand returned the exact amount that he had earned by selling the ghee, but Jwala Prasad, his amount was less than Ramchand. Why? Because he was dishonest. He was not honest person. Is that the best price you could get for 1.5 pound of ghee? Now Birbal is asking, is that the best price? क्या ये बेस्ट प्राइस है जो तुमने कितने वेट से कमाया है? 1.5 mounds of ghee. Now, your lordship, the jar only contained 1 mound. I waited before I heated the ghee. My son was with me. Now Jwala Prasad replied that there was only 1 mound of ghee in the jar. He said that he waited the ghee before heating it. My son was also there, he said. My men may have made a mistake. Please wait while I find out. Now Birbal is saying that there may be mistake done by my servant. Then he said, please wait, I'll find out the mistake, who has done the mistake. Now Birbal goes inside. अब Birbal अंदर जाता है. Go to Jwala Prasad's house and fetch his son. Fetch means to take his son. Tell him that his father wants him to bring the gold moher that he found at the bottom of the jar of the ghee. Now he told his servant to go and to take his son. Whose son? Jwala Prasad. And he told him to tell him that his father means Jwala Prasad wants to bring the gold moher that they found at the bottom of the jar. They also have to brought that gold moher. Okay. After some time, थोड़ी देर के बाद, have you brought the gold moher? Now Birbal is talking to the son of Jwala Prasad. Yes. Now the son of Jwala Prasad is replying, yes, sir. Were not there two mohars in the jar of ghee? Now Birbal is trying to check the honesty of his son. We all know that there was one moher, but he wanted to check the honesty of the son also. That's why he was asking that I think there were two mohars in the jar. No, or your honor, we found just one. Now the son is replying that no, Huzur, your honor, we have found only one moher. What nonsense! What would a gold moher he be doing in a jar of tea? Now Jwala Prasad said to him, now he afraid that Birbal would know his truth. अब वो डर रहा है कि बीरबल को उसकी सच्चाई पता लग जाएगी. अब वो क्या बोल रहा है ज्वाला प्रसाद, व्हाट नॉनसेंस, व्हाट वुड अ गोल्ड मोहर बी डूइंग इन अ जार ऑफ घी. घी के जार में गोल्ड मोहर कहाँ से मिली थी. बट डोंट यू रिमेम्बर, वी फाउंड द मोहर इन द जार व्हेन वी हीटेड द घी. Son is talking to his father Jwala Prasad. Don't you remember, my father? We found that moher in the jar of the ghee. When you heated the jar, we found that moher in the jar at the bottom. You took the moher out and gave it to me for safekeeping. He is telling the truth. His son is telling the truth. That means he is very honest. Now, yes, I remember I gave you a moher, but it didn't come out of any jar. One of my customers gave it to me. Now, Jwala Prasad wanted to hide the truth. वो अब सच्चाई को छुपाना चाहता था. अब वो बात को कैसे चेंज कर रहा है. Yes, yes, I remember, मुझे याद है, I have given you a moher, but that moher is given by a customer, not we have found it from the at the bottom of the jar. Okay, it didn't come out of the jar. Moher is given by a customer. This is a statement by the given by Jwala Prasad. Why he has given this statement? He wanted to hide the truth. वो अपनी सच्चाई को छुपाना चाहता था. Your son is telling the truth, Jwala Prasad. I put the gold moher in the jar myself to see what you would do with it. Now, Birbal is saying that your son is telling the truth. Jwala Prasad, I myself put that gold moher in the jar. Why he had put that moher in the jar? He wanted to check the honesty. ईमानदारी देखना चाहता था वो. ज्वाला प्रसाद began to sweat with fear. Sweat मतलब पसीना. अब उसे डर से पसीना आने लगा था. My memory must be playing tricks on me. Your Honor, please forgive me. Now he's saying that perhaps I forgot. Please forgive me. Jwala Prasad turned to his son. Give the gold moher to the lordship at once. How can we keep what doesn't belong to us? Now Jwala Prasad is saying to his son, he is talking to his son, please give that moher to Birbal. Now he's saying that why we cannot keep the thing with us which doesn't belong to us. Now again he is pretending कि मोहर वापस कर दो, हम वो चीज कैसे रख सकते हैं जो हमसे बिलोंग ही नहीं करती. And when do you propose to return the 1500 rupees you borrowed from your friend Ramchand? Now Birbal is again asking that when you return the money, that means 1500 rupees that you have borrowed from your friend Ramchand, haven't you returned the money yet? Now son of Jwala Prasad is asking from his father that Haven't you returned the money yet? अभी तक तुमने पैसे वापस नहीं किए? Be quiet. अब वो अपने बेटे को चुप करा रहा है. Don't rebuke your son. He is an honest lad and he will make a better merchant than you. Now follow his example and tell me the truth. Now Birbal is saying that don't rebuke your son. Don't speak angrily with your son. He is an honest person and surely he will make a better merchant, better businessman than you because he is very honest. Now follow his example. Now be honest and tell me the truth. Now there is no way out. I must confess. Now there is no option in front of Jwala Prasad. Now he has to admit the truth. अब उसे अपनी गलती माननी पड़ेगी, कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. Please forgive me, Your Honor. I lied to you. Please मुझे माफ कर दो, Your Honor. I lied to you. Means मैंने तुम्हें झूठ बोला है. You must give Ramchand double the amount that you had borrowed from him. Now Birbal is saying that this is your punishment, that you have to give double amount to Ramchand that you have borrowed from him. That means now he had to pay 3,000 rupees, double the amount. Double of 1,500 is 3,000 rupees. Jwala Prasad returned the money to Ramchand and asked for forgiveness. Now Jwala Prasad returned the money and also asked for forgiveness. मतलब वो आपको माफी मांग रहा है. Jwala Prasad also returned the money he owed Birbal for half amount of ghee. Now he had also returned the money which he has not given earlier for half amount of ghee. पहले उसने 1 amount of ghee की दी थी ना money. Now he had given that money also. If such a dishonest man can still have an honest son, then God be praised, there is still hope for humanity. Now Birbal is thinking that if such a dishonest man have an honest son, that means that still there is humanity. अगर इतने डिसऑनेस्ट पर्सन का बेटा ऑनेस्ट हो सकता है, मीन्स आज भी इंसानियत जिंदा है, आज भी अच्छे लोग हैं. Okay, yes, dear students, I hope all of you have enjoyed and the story was very simple. Now we are going to unmute all of you. If you want to ask something, you can ask. Yes, please, Preeta ma'am, unmute all the students.